Stop washing me like that! I absorb water like a sponge. Then I can't brown, I just steam. Wipe me, or rinse fast then dry me. Don't put hot food in the fridge. Steam heats everything inside. Food spoils faster. Let me cool first, then refrigerate. If the pan is crowded, you're not searing. You're steaming. Water gets trapped. Cook in batches. I look clean. I'm not. Cuts trap bacteria. Separate boards or wash fully. Oil doesn't disappear. I stick. I harden. I clog. Wipe me out, then trash. Tasting changes food instantly. Bacteria transfer is real. Use a clean spoon. Every time,